Intercom 10.
I'm Anya from Babes Right Out. We're here at Babes in the Dirt. This is our 4th annual event. It's so much fun. We're just out here getting more women that ride motorcycles together to get to know each other and introducing new riders to riding dirt. It's been amazing.
I got a Sena! So excited! This thing is like so awesome. I love. I'm in the drawing for the other one.
I need one.
I know, my Sena is the best.
Blindfolds down! Walk forward. Just to your left. Perfect.
Okay, crouch under the bike. Yes, you got it. Pick it up. Okay, that's it. Grab it. Grab the top one. Go. Over here.
Right. Left and then go straight. Keep coming. Okay, that one. Now let's come up.
Alright, you lead, I'll follow. I'll let you know if anybody falls.
Okay. Okay, hoops coming up.
Some oncoming traffic up there.
Yep.
Oh, another one. Got 2 girls back here stuck in the sand.
Come on. Okay. You guys on the way?
Yeah.
Oh, I see you guys. What?
Oh, whoops.
Are you behind me or you're?
I'm right behind you, and then Laura and Mimi are right behind me.
Okay, cool.
10C, put out. Whoop, whoop.
Woo! The mini bike race. I'm ready for this. I love it. Come on! You gotta take mini bike racing seriously.
I got taken out, ran into still water, and they still didn't give it to me. Photo footage.
And she's on the trail, and she makes my bike go whoop whoop.
That is a lovely song. Do I have to listen to you sing the whole way back to camp?
Yes.